Objects in the detection range of the radar sensor can lead to reflections that do not correspond to the fill level. These objects may be berms, ladder rungs, or mounting brackets, for example. In order to suppress these interference signals, you can use filters. With Chelux, you can conveniently set the filters remotely via the interface of the server. This not only saves you the journey to the measuring site, but also opening the manhole cover. Here is an example to show you how to do this. The value for gutter level is too high. It is probably the height of the berm that is displayed and not the water level. In order to assess whether this is the case, we must first record the echo curve. To do so, we switch to the input screen for configuring the site. In the section Remote Measurement Channel, open the tab Analysis. From the drop-down list task, select the entry timer. The echo curve is recorded at the interval selected under Timer. Finally, click Save. Now we have to wait for the next connection. Only then the changed configuration can be transferred to the Chelux. The time until the next connection is displayed here. If you have the device in front of you, you can also trigger the connection using the magnet. We received the first echo curves with the next but one connection. We can view the recorded echo curves via the Analysis tab. We open the input screen for the site configuration again and switch to the tab Analysis. Clicking on the Echo Curve button opens the window in which the recorded echo curves are displayed. We can switch between the individual echo curves using the left and right arrows. Each peak represents a reflection. For instance, an object that has been recognized by the radar sensor. The first peak is the berm and the second is the water surface. We now set a filter to suppress the interference signal from the berm. To do so, we activate the automated creation of filter curves and drag a window over the peak to be suppressed. The support points of the filter can be further adjusted by clicking and dragging. These input fields can be also used to further adjust the support points. Finally, click Save. Now we have to wait for 2 more connections. With the first connection, the configured filter are transferred to the Chelux. The filter will only have been applied to the measurement data obtained with the second connection. Now we can check whether the value for gutter level is correct. To do so, we switch to the measurement data display. The water level is now displayed correctly. The jump in the measurement curve indicates the time from which the filter is active. Now we can deactivate the recording of the echo curve again. To do so, switch the Analysis tab and select the entry off from the drop-down list task. Finally, click Save.